Hello guys, I want to introduce you something. You have to like and subscribe now or not. You have to give this thought to you or some. Wow, that's a big shot. Okay. Now you have to like and subscribe. Hey, don't like and subscribe, okay? Hey, we have to get this bomb. Wait, what is in front of me? This is not a bomb. This is a eater. Now you have to like and subscribe. Yes. If you don't, I will you. What is doing? Introduce some lines. Oh, okay. I'd go inside. So you have to like and subscribe, okay? Bye bye. Thank for that. You fall.